Okay, this is something that I coded a while ago by hand, but this could easily, and I mean super easily, be coded by vibe coding. And this will hopefully save you a lot of time. This has saved me an immense amount of time. Now, Semantic Scholar is a website done by the Allen Institute, and it looks for similar words as far as what you're looking for. So you do like vibe coding. I want you to know this API here, but so when we just go search and we wait, and then we know the rest of the process. Similar to PubMed, we have to cite it, we have to download it. It's a lot of clicks. I mean, look how long this is taking. And yes, I have good internet, good fast computer. In fact, I'm going to pause it for a second. Oh, there we go. Yeah, oh, here's a good one I want to look at. Look at this. Okay. Oh, hey, this is definitely the paper I want. You can cite and download it, blah, blah, blah. Now, there has to be a better way. Because even if I download this, okay, then I still have to import it into EndNote. Okay, and it's a lot. It's too much. So I made this program a couple years ago, and basically what it does is use that API key that you saw at the bottom of that Semantic Scholar. But like I said, this could be vibe coded in probably under an hour or two. So I want to search semantic search, and let's do. I had to incorporate spell checking and a lot of other things because I suck at spelling. So let's do vibe coding education. And what's going to do is it hits the same thing that the website that you saw provides me the very bare bones information. But let me switch over here to this. I know it's kind of hard to see, but that's kind of point. So I want maybe article number 2, 3, 4, 8, and 9. So 2 is vibe coding and education, 2025. And then did I get that one too? Okay, yeah. So well, actually, I can't read. Number 3 is vibe coding and education. So I hit return, and boom, it pulled it over to my EndNote. Look at that. No doubt, it's an EndNote, and it pulled the paper. That's amazing. Let's try that again because there's something hokey going on here. So let's try one. Cancer. Well, let's do Parkinson's disease and education. Okay, let me just say all. Look, it just pulled all those in. So now I don't have to download that. It's still probably looking for some of the other papers. Oh, there, found a paper right there. And whatever my library or whatever UNLV has access to, it will automatically authenticate and pull through EndNote. It takes us a second or two, but it's so much easier than having to download a citation, it's automatically in EndNote. Type it up, and the same goes for PubMed. Education and disease. I don't know. 8, 9, and 10. And boom, those are PubMed articles now right directly in my EndNote. I can move them into a group. I can find updates. I can cite them, whatever I want to do. And this could be vibe coded in a day.